Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying Python and creating a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, install core libraries like NumPy, PyTorch, or TensorFlow, and scikit-learn because models rely on them. Next, load your dataset, perform train/validation/test splits, and normalize inputs so training is stable. Make sure to wrap data in a data loader or TF. Data pipeline for efficient batching and shuffling. This gets you ready to define a model immediately. You will define a clear model architecture matching your task. For images, start with a small CNN, for sequences, a transformer or LSTM. Then choose optimizer and loss. Atom with weight decay is a strong default, and set a learning rate schedule to avoid plateaus. Once training begins, log loss and accuracy each epoch, save checkpoints periodically, and use validation metrics to guide hyperparameter choices. Also apply data augmentation and early stopping to prevent overfitting while keeping training. You will evaluate final performance on the held-out test, set, and report relevant metrics like precision, recall, and ROC/AUC so results are interpretable. Once satisfied, export the trained model to a portable format such as ONGS or saved model and bundle the same preprocessing steps used in training. Deploy with a lightweight server or container, add health checks and monitoring, and set up automated rollback. If results are poor, check learning rate, data leaks, and label quality as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.